In today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade syrup to alleviate cough and colds. One of the best medicines to alleviate respiratory tract issues are syrups, especially the natural ones that can be made at home, right? Here on our channel, we taught you some recipes, which you can see by clicking on the video suggested at the end of this one. Syrups have expectorating properties that eliminate secretions in the airways and contain nutrients that the body needs to boost immunity. So, in today's video, you will learn how to make a cough syrup with lemon, ginger, and honey. It is full of properties that help treat coughs, colds, and the flu. Lemon is an excellent homemade medicine for detox since it is rich in potassium, chlorophyll, and makes the blood more alkaline, eliminating toxins from the body. It reduces the symptoms of fatigue and improves energy to complete your daily chores. Isn't it incredible? Ginger boosts metabolism, favoring weight loss, and relaxes the gastrointestinal tract, preventing nausea and vomiting. It is also antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, preventing different diseases. Honey has antiseptic, antioxidant, anti-rheumatic, digestive, diuretic, soothing, and expectorating properties. This ingredient is nutritious and therapeutic, bringing many health benefits. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. As you can see, all the ingredients have properties to boost our defense system. Write down the ingredients. Half a lemon sliced, zest of half a lemon, juice of half a lemon, 0.8 inches of ginger peeled and grated, 1 cup honey, half a cup of water. How to make it? Grate the skin of half a lemon and put it in a pan. Add the juice of half a lemon, the slices of the other half, the grated one. Add ginger, honey, and water. Boil until it foams. Pour the mixture into a sterilized glass bottle and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 months. How to take it? Children from 1 to 2 years old, a dessert spoon twice a day. Children above 2 years old, a tablespoon twice a day. Adults, 2 tablespoons twice a day. Children younger than 1, diabetic people, and people allergic to any ingredients in the recipe must not ingest it, okay? Although this cough syrup is natural, you must always talk to a qualified health professional. The symptoms prevented by this syrup may have different causes, like allergies or viral infections. If you have a fever, malaise, green phlegm, or shortness of breath, talk to a doctor. It might be a serious problem. Try the recipe and share your opinions with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.